What's up, winners? On this channel, we learn to see through manipulation and have fun doing it. This is some ridiculousness, and this is such a good point. I don't know how I didn't think of this at first or just wasn't aware of it. So we've all seen just this horror show of the trailer, which we could leave up. We don't need any volume. I'm not going to do that to you guys. But the really great point is that there's no recipes, right? Like, doesn't a real cooking show, it has the recipes come up, or maybe there'll be a site, and that's such a good point. Like, she's not even trying to look like a cooking show. It's just flat out there that it is solely to improve her image, solely to prance around and show how great she is, how famous she is. Little aside, the Daily Mail UK, you guys need some tech updates. It seems like there's no way to get rid of this little audio thing, like changing the audio. I'm trying to fix it. It's very annoying. Some basic tech stuff. But yeah, it's utterly ridiculous. Utterly ridiculous. So it's a very good point that's been made, right? So there's not a single recipe, not a single tip. And for me, it just seems like the arrogance. Like, what is the show supposed to be? Like, I knew what it really is an ego thing. It's to show off. It's to get in the limelight. It's just thinking she's great, to get the image she wants, to have people see her. But it's supposed to be a cooking show. But it's not even trying to be a cooking show. So that means, like, you know what I mean? Like, what is the genre supposed to be here of Meghan's show? They don't even, like, it's literally like, oh, hey, here's Meghan in a kitchen. Like, what's the sales point? Hopefully you guys get my point here. It's not that we don't know what it is. We always knew what the purpose is, and that's BS. But what is the pitch supposed to be? Well, oh. And we're going to see, too, I wonder if we are going to get, hopefully not, some, oh, my partner, look at this, I want to thank my partners at Netflix supporting me in delaying the launch, and we just focus on the needs of these impacted by the wildfires in my home state. Obviously, a PR move. The show's already filmed, right? I don't see what makes a difference. Anyway, guys, thanks for tuning in. I'll see you all soon.